everyone. I am Everson P. Bacalya, base MT3 Betelgeuse. Today I will discuss the IMO performance standard for ECDIS, navigation for information and display modes. So this focus review of MEC 530-106 Rev 1, Module B, operational and functional requirements, emphasizing how ECDIS must present additional navigational data and manage neighboring area generation to support safe navigation. So, why MSC 530-106 Rev 1 matters? So, it's the established mandatory performance standard for ECDIS type approval. Bridge technical capability with operational safety at sea. Ensures consistent presentation of chart and non-chart information to mariners. Module B, operational and functional requirements or overview. Module B defines how ECDIS must behave in operational use, what information it must show, how it must present it, and interactive behaviors, alarm symbolism, user controls to ensure reliable decision making on the bridge, information integrity, correct layering and prioritization chart and explanation data, user interaction, clear control for display modes, range, and safety settings, alert and logging, events and updates and alarm must be evident and traceable, display of other navigation information, core principle. Module B requires ECDIS to display non-ANC navigational data in a way that is unambiguous, selectable, and visually distinct from official ANC feature. Maintain ANC primary. ANC feature must not be obscured by overlays. Support display of AS, ARPA, tracks, radar, vectors, weather, and temporary navigational warnings. Provide user control to toggle, prioritize, and carry supplemental layers. Types of navigation information and presentation rules. AIS and traffic is show dynamic targets with course or speed vectors and CPA or TCPA. Selectable details on demand. Radar overlay. Synchronized range and bearing, clearly differentiated symbols and transposition latency indications. Weather and tides. Optional layers with temporal validity and legend indicating forecast times. Notice and nav warning. Temporary or urgent overlays must be prominent, time-stamped, and removable only by authorized actions. Local data or pilot info BERTs displayed as non-ANC poise with clear iconography and metadata. Display mode and generation of neighboring area or K requirements. Module B specifies how ECDIS should generate and render the neighboring area surrounding the ship to ensure situational awareness across scales and modes. So automatic neighborhood generation. ECDIS must automatically populate the surrounding area using ANC data and permitted auxiliary layers when scale changes or when the ship moves into new chart boundaries. Seamless chart transition. Adjacent ANC loading must be smooth without visual breaks and maintain feature continuity, depth, contours aid to navigation. Range and detail management. When changing display scale, the system must adapt symbolization and declutter feature while preserving essential safety information. Next is display modes and navigational safety. Base chart mode or NC focus all mandatory NC safety information visible, supplemental layers, subjold and subjold. Overlays or others data mode. Emphasizes non-ANC layers. Radar AS must not remove critical ANC safety object. Full navigation mode. All permitted layers shown with active alarms and CPA or TCPA monitoring intended for coastal or approach operation. And the last is conclusion. Safer navigation through compliance. AMC 530-106 Rev 1 Module B ensures ECDIS not only presents official NC data correctly but also integrates other navigational inputs and familiarity reduce risk and improve decision making. Takeaway 1. Keep NC priority overlay must be distinct and controllable. Takeaway 2. Neighboring area generation and seamless transition are mandatory for situational contiguity. Takeaway 3. Train bridge teams on modes, layer management, and alarm interpretation.